Do you want to see how you want to automatically change your text size as well as colors on different devices and switch between dark mode and light modes automatically? Then you are at the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Design Diary. I'm Ruth from JavaScript Studio, and today we're going to learn one of the most powerful features in Figma, that is called variables, and more specifically how to use modes. On my screen, I have 3 different devices and 2 modes, dark and light. We have a heading, subheading and a CTA text. Before we apply anything, let's create a variable collection. Go to variables, click on this icon, and from here, click create. Let's first focus on the font size. We'll select number since we are assigning font size. This is our collection 1. Let's name it Typography. Note, in a full project you would usually make primitives and tokens, but for simplicity, here we are just taking one collection. Let's name the first variable h1 and give it a value of 64 pixels. Change the column name to desktop. Now click the plus icon to create a new mode. Name this tab and change it to 48 pixel. Click again for another mode. Call it mobile and give it 33 pixel. Now select h1, right click and duplicate. This will be b1. Let's add 28 pixel for desktop, 19 for tab and 16 for mobile. Duplicate one more time for button text. Let's say 28, 23 and 19. Now we have our 3 modes, that is our 3 devices. Now let's assign them. Select the h1 text, go to the font size, click the variable icon and assign h1. Do the same for the body, b1 and button text. Now that we have assigned variables, let's select this frame. You will see this icon, apply variable mode, under appearance. Click it. Choose desktop. For tab, you won't see anything yet because there is no content assigned. Once you put some content inside the frame and select the parent frame, you will see the icon. Click typography, then tab, and see, it just changed the sizes automatically as per what we assigned, 48, 19 and 23. Again, place it inside the mobile frame, click the frame, apply variable mobile. See, it adapts. Now let's assign colors. Go back to variables, click on plus icon and write colors, and then create a color variable. For the value, I'll assign black. This time we will use 2 modes, light and dark. Click the plus icon to create the dark mode column. For dark mode, I want my headline or heading to be white. Duplicate this variable for the body text b2. For dark mode, I want it to be lighter gray, so the contrast remains strong. Let's do the button color. In light mode, we'll keep it this blue. For dark mode, let's change it to a much lighter blue for visibility. Do the same for the button text color. White for light mode and dark for dark mode. Now we need to assign these color variables. Select your text on the canvas, go to fill and assign the h1, b1 and button color variables we just created. Now click on the parent frame, go to this icon. We already have typography. Now set colors to light. You won't see any difference, so select the dark mode, means dark mode desktop, create a copy, paste it here, select the frame, do the same here, icon, colors and dark, and tada! The colors automatically switch to a dark mode value. To make sure everything works, ensure your dark mode frames also have the typography mode assigned, so the sizing remains correct. Now you can easily toggle between different color modes and screen sizes automatically just by changing the parent frames mode. So that's it for today, guys. This is how you use mode to automate your design process. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you learned something new today, and see you next time.